Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into your Microsoft account and enrolling in Microsoft Rewards so points actually register. Once signed in, make Bing your default search. Perform the recommended 5 to 10 daily searches on both desktop and mobile so you don't miss platform-specific bonuses. Also open Microsoft Edge and complete the daily sets and quizzes. These are short tasks that regularly add 50 to 150 points. Make sure to sync profiles across devices so each action counts toward your streaks and tiers. Next, scale by using both desktop and mobile platforms where Microsoft allows separate earning caps, effectively increasing daily totals. Once done, prioritize daily quizzes, short polls, Xbox-related activities, and weekly challenges because their point yield compounds over time. Make sure to track limited-time promotions and the dashboard's featured tasks. These often provide the highest points per minute. Finally, redeem strategically. Smaller reward redemptions can prevent point expiration and maintain activity. To finish, reconcile your activity by reviewing the rewards dashboard and activity logs so you can spot missed or delayed credit within the usual 7 to 14-day window. If points are missing, contact official Microsoft Rewards support and provide screenshots plus timestamps to speed resolution. Make sure to avoid any automation or third-party scripts. These violate terms and can cause account holds. If you hit a problem, pause the questionable action, document what happened, and escalate through official support channels for safe recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.